future pharmacists, ready to leap into your Australian dream? The OPRA exam is your getaway. But before we dive in, I have got a quick question. Have you figured out the fees yet? In this video, I will break down all the costs you need to be aware of to help you plan ahead and avoid any surprises. Let's begin, and if you are a healthcare professional looking to migrate abroad, then subscribe to our channel right now to get the latest information about all the courses. Section 1, Eligibility Check. First thing first, before you can even think about the OPRA exam, you will need to go through an eligibility check. The step is essential to ensure you meet the initial requirements. The cost, AUD 810 per request. Yes, it's an investment, but it's the first step towards making your dream a reality. Section number 2, OPRA exam. Now for the main event, OPRA exam itself. This is where all your preparation pays off. The fee for the exam is AUD 2190. It's a big investment, I know, but remember, passing this exam is your key to practicing as a pharmacist in Australia. So there you have it, folks, a complete breakdown of the OPRA fees. Knowing these costs will definitely help you plan better and focus on what really matters, that is preparing for success. The total tentative cost will be around 3000 AUD. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share it with your fellow pharmacists, and if you are looking for some personalized guidance, Academically has got you covered with expert coaching provided by expert mentors to help you every step of the way. Check out our specialized course by clicking the link in description. Now for some exciting news, don't miss out on MedConnect with Dr. Akram, a great opportunity to connect with professionals in some of the biggest Indian cities. The dates are as follows: Chandigarh, 8th of September 2024, Hyderabad, 12th September 2024, Pune, 22nd September 2024, and Cochin, 29th September 2024. Got any more questions? Drop them in the comments below and let's get you one step closer to your dream career in Australia. Thanks for watching this video. This is Sunidhi Shai signing off.